Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your OS and backing up any custom assets so you can restore them if needed. Open the Themes app or long press the home screen to enter theme controls. This is where applied themes and downloaded packs live. Once inside, review active theme previews and note the name of the one currently applied. If you see a toggle or apply button, avoid tapping it now. Instead, locate the uninstall or remove options tied to downloads or the active theme. You should now revert the phone to the default or system theme. Doing so removes icons and layout changes immediately. If the theme came from a downloaded pack, select it and choose Uninstall or Delete. For stubborn artifacts, go to Settings Apps Themes or Launcher and clear cache or data. This resets theme state without affecting personal files. Make sure to reboot the device after clearing data. A restart finalizes the switch and helps the system rebuild correct icon and font references. Finish by restarting and verifying that icons, fonts, and wallpaper match the default look. If some elements still show the old theme, reinstall or update your launcher app and reapply the system theme, then reboot again. Once done, check Settings Display and Font Settings to manually switch any lingering styles. If problems persist, boot into Safe Mode to determine whether a third-party theme app is forcing changes. Safe Mode isolates system behavior, so you can uninstall the culprit safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.